welcome back to the channel. If you see behind me there is a truck. Today we're going to be talking about my farm truck. But before we get started, if you like content on this channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you get notifications when I post new videos. Anyway, so back to the subject at hand. After one of the last videos, me cleaning up some brush and stuff like that, had the truck in there in the video, so I figured I'd do a little walk around and information on it. So this is the truck, and first thing you might notice is it's a little dirty, but we don't really wash these things around here. Anyway, what the truck is a 1977 Ford F150. It is aptly named the farm truck. See, one of the biggest things that stand out are them tractor tires. Those do amazing for a farm rig. You're not really going to be driving it down the highway with those, but as far as traction in the mud, there is pretty much no spin. I've had this down for some maintenance and had to drive another vehicle around with all-terrain mud tires, and it was night and day difference. Anyway, so I've had this truck probably back to about 2012. It was actually my first four-wheel drive vehicle. Had a flare side bed on the back, but I took that off and put a temporary flatbed on there, but this temporary flatbed has been pretty permanent. But I do have plans, and I do have a flatbed to put on there besides just some plywood. But any good farm operation needs a good farm truck, and that's what this is. Can't do everything with your tractor. This makes up a good space or in between there. Being four-wheel drive with them tractor tires, it goes everywhere. I have had a truck with just two-wheel drive with tractor tires, and that still does pretty good. So, under the hood here, we'll go ahead and pop. This thing is pretty plain Jane simple. So under the hood here is no thrills. We have a 306, made it up to a C6 transmission. These is a combination of spare parts I had. The engine and transmission came out of two different Broncos. They were never really paired to each other, and I don't really know if you could have got a straight six and a automatic factory in these trucks. I don't know if that was factory option or not. Anyway, the truck originally had a 400 351 modified with the C6. The transmission went bad, so I pulled the motor out, sat for a few years. It came up with this engine and transmission, put them in, and it's been great. It's not a powerhouse, and I'm a fan of a 4-speed, but actually for what I do with this, the automatic does pretty good because you can just ease into stuff. We have a little air compressor on here for onboard air, and just a 1-barrel carburetor, pretty much all factory as far as that goes. Oil bath, air cleaner on top. So that really covers the engine compartment. Up front here, a little aftermarket bumper someone built. It was on the truck when I bought it. I did add a front hitch receiver and these big LED lights, which do a wonderful job of lighting up the night. The paint job, that's kind of someone's special job of, they were attempting to repaint it, but anyway, that was how I got it. Kind of looks cool how it is. Got a toolbox on the back here, filled with a bunch of odds and ends, straps and different tools, stuff like that. Inside, pretty basic, no door panel or anything like that. Heater works, that's good. No radio, don't need that. Got some crap in here right now, just moving stuff around. So, yeah, that is the farm truck. We'll probably be seeing more of it. Stuff comes along here. If you like these old Ford trucks, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I got about a dozen others that will probably be making cameos in some of the videos if you watch. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments. If you want to see more, if you have any questions about it, want some more video or anything like that,